US oil monthly time frame. This was your high and this is your vertical crash which happened in last recession in USA in 2008. Same thing is coming again and it will repeat, and all the country like Russia whose economic power completely depends on oil and climate socialism, because in 1950 theme of socialism was poverty. This time 2020 theme of socialism is climate change. This socialist propaganda against oil and country like Russia doing everything they can to avoid this oil market collapse. If this is your bottom, then it can easily make new high. And for recession demand collapse in USA and Europe, China lockdown has been ended and they are fully reopened, and China is not poor like China was in 2008. So that will be challenge from demand collapse in US and Europe and demand from biggest population for oil. And if you mix all of these things together, then this is a repeat of stagflation. All of these things are almost same like happened in last time. And if this low survives $75, which is your strong horizontal support, then this can be your bottom and it will not stop before 93. That will be your first resistance. And if monthly candle close of 93, that will confirm bottom. But all of this candlestick on monthly time frame showing a clear rejection at $75 price. But a closing above 93, everything will be clear, and by that time you will see rate cut in news. While news are now saying that rate hike will never end and terminal rate will go 6%. While that news never told you to buy oil at once in a lifetime opportunity low price. So do not think like ordinary person, think like a billionaire whose net worth is more than $100 billion. Only thing matter is in December 2023 Fed will start rate cut. That's mean monetary policy right now are to create recession, but when rate cut will start, that will be monetary policy which will put recession in reverse order. That's mean economic growth. So those things all of them together are bullish for oil. On monthly time frame, these two are your key level for this entire month until FOMC meeting in March and Bank of Japan monetary policy decision this week. If you see daily time frame from this last high, it was going down constantly, making lower low with lower high, but now it is sideways, and this looks like a symmetrical triangle chart pattern. Technically it looks like a impulse, then sideways correction, then new breakout to downside, but a clear breakout above 83 level that will confirm that this was your bottom and bullish trend in oil has been started. And higher oil mean more inflation. And to understand that logic, there is only one example, because that thing happened only first time, and this is your stagflation 2.0. Because inflation will not go down, it will only go up. Before that NAP number will collapse below 100k. That is main thing about stagflation. And if you already have buying entry below 75 horizontal support, then hold, and your target is 93. And for new fresh entry, wait for clear breakout of 83. If it retest, definitely it will retest that level after breakout. Then you buy again up to 93. If that chart pattern technically, if it breaks to downside, make new low, then that will be SL hunting. And if it makes new low go below $70, then buy. But this week is last possibility for that breakout, and that possible triangle chart pattern is complete. And if you do wave counting, then we are in final wave E, and to invalidate that chart pattern we need breakout about 83.